Good morning, YouTube. Whoa! Y'all, happy 420. Happy 420. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In celebration of 420. We're going to start off with a little Melee gummy. This one's only 5 milligrams. She's just a little one. So, happy 420. Jink. Okay, you guys. I got my green lights on. Just because, you know, get in the mood, okay? Get in the mood. My gummy has already hit. I made breakfast. I got my exercises in. I do have my... Oh, there's Pandora. Hold on. Okay. As I was saying... I forgot what I was saying. So, for those of you who are like, Jesus, chick was just drugged with this shit. Y'all, this is my THC. I know how much I can take. I know how much they are. Oh, no, that goes up. This is me doing it safely in my own home. Me doing it. Thank you very much. I'm not going to end up in the freaking hospital. Anyway, I was talking to Darcy, the owner of Saints, Angels, Sinners, and I have a couple of packages. We're going to do the 420 bundle unboxing. She forgot. We'll unbox it. I already told Darcy what I was doing. I already said that. I got my Melees right here. We're going to take another one here in a minute. Did I just show my address? I did. I'll blur it out. It's fine. Okay. I don't know what to do with all of this. I got the 420 bundle, which was $160, but I used the 50% off discount. And so, we're going to start with this one. It came really nicely wrapped, but I already went through it. We're going to have to turn the regular lights on, you guys, because I can't hardly see anything with just the green light. I do have the bedroom door open so I can see a little bit. So it came with this card, which I can't read right now, but maybe you guys can see it. It says, thank you, Saints, Angels, Sinners. The owner is Miss Darcy. This is the 420 bundle. There's a little bunny in here. I got a little bunny last time. It's her little theme, animal theme. Little bunny. Little card. Bunny hugs. This little bunny is full of love and hugs. Keep it close and squeeze it tight and know that you are loved. Okay, I can actually read that. Okay, it says the same thing on both sides. Okay. Okay. We have some lip glosses, lip liners, and I believe there's 2 eyeshadow palettes. I normally take THC for pain. This is my one gummy is for pain. This is where I would normally stop. But not today. Not today because we are celebrating 420. My baby boy, who most of y'all know, unfortunately took his own life. He was so funny. He thought he was so slick, y'all. He didn't think that I knew that he smoked a little bit of Mary Jane. Mama ain't stupid, okay? And then when he found out that I started with the gummies, actually, I started with CBD. And I was doing that for pain, and it was working great. And then someone's like, just try a little microdose, which microdosing is you just take the gummy and you just take a little bite out of it. You start very low, and then you build up, just to see how your body's going to react. See if it's going to work for the pain. So when I told him that Mama was taking the gummies, he was shocked. I miss my baby boy. So the next gummy is going to be in honor of my baby boy and Jeremy's uncle, who unfortunately is also no longer with us, and he liked to partake as well. So that's going to be in honor of those two. Okay, this is Saints, Angels, Sinners in collaboration with Funny Butter. It's look like Barbie, smoke like Marley. So that's what that looks like. I can actually see just fine. So we might just do this in green. Green, pink and green. I can't see the colors of the eyeshadow. I can't see the colors of the eyeshadow. Alright, let's get everything unboxed. I'm liking the green color. Let's get everything unboxed and then we'll come back. We'll come back to actually look at the eyeshadow colors, because it looks like it's black and white to me. Am I gonna be? Yeah, I'll be okay. It's fine. It's fine. And then this one is Namaste. Oh, instead of Namaste, it's Namaste. And this is also in collaboration with Funny Butter. Ooh, that's this one here. So if I didn't say it before, happy 420. Yeah, I still can't see the colors, but maybe you guys can. We'll switch the lights back to regular here in a minute. So that was the first package. Oh, well, and we got 3 lippies and a lip liner. So that's that one. Let's get the big box. There's one thing in here that I really want to pull out. Should I be using a knife? Probably not. But we're going to. I got my hand far enough away. It's okay. If you don't know about Saints, Angels, Sinners, is cosmetics makeup company. I already talked to Darcy. She knows I'm doing this. I already told you that. Never mind. See? They say drink responsibly. I'm going to say take your candy, your spicy candy, responsibly, okay? Like I said, I'm at home. I don't drive. I don't go anywhere. Today is just an at-home day. Jeremy's off doing his thing. Yeah, this is the one I was waiting for. Jeremy's off doing his thing because he knows it's 420. He knows darn good and well what today is, and what I'm doing. So this is Melee gummies. They're only 5 milligrams, which is what I was, you know, telling you guys before, that I use it for pain, because, well, I'm in pain, but I go with the small ones. So here's to Unc and my baby boy. Okay. Ow. Come on, baby. Part of that bundle, and what drew me to getting that big bundle, the 420 bundle, was this big makeup case. Okay. And like I said, or maybe I didn't say, I have another box coming. This is so cool. I stinking love this. I was supposed to get the perfume. Oh, wait. There's more stuff. Oh, there's stuff in here. Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, look at that. So this is this might be the whole bundle. There's a mirror in here. This is a hard case. Saints, Angels, Sinners. It's so cute. Pink and green. I stinking love it, you guys. Okay, what's in here, though? We got a sticker, we got a card, got another sticker. Here's a palette. Some more lippies. Another lip liner. This is so cute. I just love this. I want to take this when Jeremy and I go on our casino run this summer. I can put everything in here. My meds. Not my gummies, because we're going to go into Idaho. I can't remember if Idaho allows it or not. My gummies are going to have to stay home. But I don't drive, so it still wouldn't matter. Just do it responsibly, okay? Please and thank you. Do we have, what palette is this one? Oh, okay. There's another. This one's Look Like Barbie, Smoke Like Marley. So this is a second palette. Ooh. Okay. And then we have, do we have a duplicate of these guys too? I don't know. I can't tell. Those ones have names. These ones have numbers. I don't know. Well, I'm sure as soon as we turn everything, all the lights and stuff on. Are these the same? One says 14, one says 4. Maybe we got two different ones. Okay. Okay, sweet. Alexa, turn the lights to white, please.
Okay.
That just got really bright. All right. Let's open up the lippies. I love the packaging because it looks like little candies, and she was telling me that she meant for these to be like edibles, kind of like what I'm taking now. So like 420 edibles. I love that. Okay, so it looks like, is it over on this side? It says 39. Oh, okay. Nope. How do you open it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, smells good. So there's that one there. So that is, oh, it smells really good. Number 39. I don't know if that's gonna have a color or not. I mean, this one is number 16. Okay, so that one's a liquid lip, and the other one's a lip gloss. Okay, these two match really nice. Okay, this one has a name, Velvet Touch. Are you guys participating in 420? If so, what's your choice? How do you like to have it? Here's another liquid lip. I got it on my nose, you guys. Saints, Angels, Sinners is a small business indie brand. I will leave all of her information, Miss Darcy, in the description so that you guys can go follow her, check her out, her Instagram. Whoops. I will have her website linked. This one looks like it's a lip gloss. Is it a lip? It doesn't smell like the other lip gloss. But I think that's a lip gloss too. Those are pretty shades. I thought about doing a makeup look, but after this second one hits, I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Oh, what was is there a name or a number on that one? That one has a name called Strike. This one is called Savage. I didn't turn my lights on behind me because I wanted the green to show. And I didn't want the pink. Oh, she's pink. Speaking of. That's a lip gloss. Yeah, it smells like bubble gum. Maybe frosting. I don't know. But there's the pink one. That's pretty too. So those are the lip glosses. And so there are 3 lip glosses and 2 liquid lips. Pretty. So this one says 14. Okay, this should be a lip liner. And this is definitely going to be You guys see that? Here, let me put it over here. There we go. So that's the lip liner. That's one of them. That is number 14. And then number 4 it's a pencil, but it's really smooth. So they both look brown. Which, I mean, given the color story of the lippies, would make sense. Just one's lighter than the other. This one looks like more of a berry. Oh my God, look at that. Yes, that's so much better. Okay. Y'all, I can't. That's how I feel right now. You guys see that? How you doing?
Okay.
That's just bright. Okay, I'm going to put this one over here because I'm not sure if that's a part of the giveaway that I have going on for my 2K. We're getting close, y'all. We're getting close every damn day, darn day. We're getting closer. So if you aren't subscribed, go back to that video. I'll link it in the description so you guys can go do that. I'm just putting some oil on my lips. All right. Now let's try and take a look at these colors. So this one is the Namaste instead of Namaste. Oh yeah, now we can see them. Oh, we got some pink and oh, this is pretty. That's pretty. So you got your brown, green, more of a sandy color, pink, and then a blue but a brown. Those are pretty. Wake, bake, meditate. That's today. That's today. Best Buds is the pink one. Gratitude and Ganja. Puff Puff Peace. Blow Baby Blow. Nope. Bloom. Bloom Baby Bloom. I don't smoke the Mary. I just do the gummies. Hydrate. Yes, please. Passionate. Oh, passionate pothead. Plant over pills. I get that. Grind and shine. And then so dope. That's funny. Okay, so that's that one. I'm going to do swatches and put them on at the end so that you guys can see the colors. I never keep the color savers. And then this one is more of a green, grungy, purple-esque vibe. So there's that one. So there's different colors, like different shades of green. I do want to dip into... That's what I love about her palettes. Look at the duochrome. I mean, that is just gorgeous. This one is Positive Vibration. I need positive vibration. Oh, that's gorgeous. What is this one? This is Love. That's like a red. That is a red. I don't know why it's like a red. Almost like a burgundy. That one's pretty too. Look at that. And then there's this green shade. There's two green ones. Sun is shining. That must be more of a yellowy green. Redemption Song. Let's do this one. I like the yellowy green. Sun is Shining. I can't see it anymore. Oh, there it is. There she is. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, yeah. This... Yeah, we're definitely going to have to do a makeup look using both of those. Not right now, though. I had a makeup wipe. I just don't know what I did with it. I probably threw it away. Oh, that second one's going to hit hard, y'all. She's going to hit hard. I already got some snackums. I got my trolley out in the snack trolley. So I have snackums that I can eat. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to do some swatches, full swatches of each palette. But yeah, we got some good lippies and some good stuff. And you know what? Guys, what did I do in my case? Here it is. I got my makeup case. Now you can see it a little bit better. Yep. She's so cute. Oh, there's this little thing on here. Okay. That's what I really wanted. Well, I mean, I wanted the makeup too, but this is so stinking cute, you guys. I just love it. And it's a hard case. It's like the old cases that we used to have as kids when we kept our toys in it. Yeah, this is going to be great for my skincare, all my stuff. So, I'm excited. I love it. Love, love, love it. I'm so glad I got this one. And then we'll just have to do another video when the other package gets here. So, but I wanted to do at least the 420 bundle on 420 and have some gummies with you guys. As soon as I figure out what the deal with this palette is, I'm not sure if this was supposed to be a part of the giveaway or if it was a different one. So we'll find out. We'll find out. But that is the 420 bundle. Happy 420. If you are partaking in 420, please do responsibly and put myself in the comfort and safety of my own home. Don't be driving nowhere. Do it responsibly and safely, okay? Please and thank you. All right. That's going to be it for this video because I'm going to go lay down. This second one's going to hit hard. I don't normally take two. But today, it's okay. It's okay. So, until next time, see y'all later. Bye! Happy 420! Woo!